Hello? Is there reception? Huh? Yeah, here, Bumsinger Joseph is calling you from room number 860. I have problem. Yesterday, my doctor say I had to go to red light because of wegen Schnupfen. So, and then I go outside to red light district and drink some beer. Many. A lot of. Leck mich a lot of. So, and then I come home around 3 or 4 o'clock, I don't know exactly. So, and then I want to key inside thing, lock, but cannot. Maybe because of Saurausch pig trunk, I cannot wrong door. Maybe, or maybe my wife locked door from inside because of stinksauer, you know, what's the thing? So, and then I say Bumsinger Sepp, not a Bläder, also Bläder. So I go around house, yes, and I think I come from von hinten, also from backside, also von über Terrasse, haben wir gedacht. It's maybe because of Saurausch, I find not my room, I go one before maybe, and I go inside terrace, I open door, I go inside, and then I see lie in my bed 2 people, and I say, is Sauhamin? I say, raus aus mein, go outside of my bed, and then I realize, I see, leck mich am Arsch is not my room, because of I see other billig Kunstdruck on the wall, you know. So and then this person in bed wake up. They wake up and the wife and I see 2 Gelbwürstler, also Chinese lying in this bed in wife, eyes open. I think they never see a Bumsinger Joseph before, maybe. So, and he always, the wife always shout, police. She shout always, police. And then I say, relax, relax, I'm only Bumsinger Sepp. I say to them, relax, and they always shout, police. Jetzt entspann dich einmal. I'm Bumsinger Sepp, keep calm and halt dein Fotzen. Also but they don't stop. They don't stop and always shout, and then I say, leck's mich doch am Arsch, weil they don't speak English. Nothing, nix, gar nix. So, and then I say, I go outside, and then I go inside next balcony, and then I am right. I'm in the right. Because now I call you, if the Gelbwürstler, the Chinese, if they come to you to the reception, please say to them, sorry, it was because of Saurausch tonight. So say to them, tut mir wahnsinnig leid, also, and if they want for the Schreck, we can, I pay them a beer tonight. I know a very good Botzen, also Wirtshaus, where we can go. You understand? You can English? Yes, okay. Say if, no problem if they come say, scheiß drauf, also die sollen, yes, okay, thank you very much, ja, servus. Excuse me, Bumsinger Sepp, Joseph here again. Say to them I can pay 2 or 3 beer. No problem, because super portion.